Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are going to practice day 4 of our 5 days yoga practice for PCOD. If you don't have PCOD, you can surely practice this. If at all you have PCOD, you must practice this. Day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4. You should practice all the days together to see a good effect on you. Before you practice this, you're supposed to finish your warm up as well as Surya Namaskara. You can see me already, I'm sweating and I'm done with my warm up, and I'm sure you're also done with your warm up. Before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. Alright, so before we start, so today we are focusing a lot on our core muscle. So any core workout you practice, this is going to be really helpful if you have PCOD. Let's get started. So first come on your knee and on your palm. So keep your knee apart from each other and your wrist and your shoulder in one straight line. Wrist, knee and your toe one straight line. So we have done this posture several times, cat and cow. So today specially you have to focus on your pelvic region. So now when you take your spine in, you focus a lot on your spine, right? Today focus on your stomach. So keep your stomach slightly engaged when you go up and keep your stomach tight, and you can feel when you round your shoulder, you're gonna get your stomach slightly crunched in. You're gonna take your pelvic slightly in, tucked in, and then shoulder folder. Now inhale up and exhale. Tuck your tummy in and round the shoulder out. Inhale, spine in, stomach completely tucked. Exhale, tuck your tummy in completely and look down. So while practicing this, you can focus on your stomach. And exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Center. From here, take your palm one step ahead and lift your knee off the mat. Come to a full plank. Here again, focus should be on your stomach and try to hold your stomach slightly tucked. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, just drop your elbow down wherever you are. Try to keep your spine almost straight, but you can lift your hips slightly up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knee down. Quickly relax. Take a deep breath in and deep breathe out. Let's practice once again. On your palm and try to lift your knee off the mat. Hold. See, your chest should be in between both the palm. You should not be here. Your body should be on your toe and on your wrist. 5, 4, don't drop your spine down. Try to lift it up. 3, 2 and 1. From here, slowly drop your elbow down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knee down. Drop your head down. Slowly come to center. Now, from here, stretch your both the legs straight forward. And you're going to sit down. Completely relaxed, lie down on your back. We're going to do a mild ab workout now, just to keep your stomach engaged. As I told you, core workouts are very good for PCOD. So this is something which you can surely practice and add into your series. Keep your both the hands next to the hip. Now lift your both the legs up 60 degree. From here, keep your both the legs slightly apart from each other, not like really far, but if your legs are together, keep them slightly apart. Continue to breathe long. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Together, bend your knee, drop your heel down. Place your both the hands on your stomach, close your eyes, take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hands next to the hip, lift your both the legs up again 60 degree and apart. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Together, drop it down. Make sure when you lift your legs up, your spine should not have any strain. Your spine should be completely relaxed and you should feel in your tummy, not on your back. Now, from here, you're just going to lift your both the legs up. You're going to hold here, and from here lift your both the hands straight up over the head, but you're not going to drop it on the floor. Okay, just hold it here, and when you see your hip and your knee straight 90 degree, slightly away. So you're not keeping it extremely 90 degree. You're going to keep your knee slightly down and your hands slightly above, maybe like 20 degrees off the mat. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hands down, drop your heels down. Take a deep breathe in and deep breathe out. Relax your spine. Now, you're going to lift your both the heels again off the mat, but this time we are not going to be here. So, this time try to lift your heels just slightly away from the floor. Okay? Both the hands slightly away from the floor. This should be the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop it down, relax. So, there are times when you try to lift your legs up without your own knowledge, you end up putting all the pressure from your spine. You should strictly avoid doing that. Make sure that your spine is relaxed and not, I am repeating again because I know this is a very normal mistake and you won't realize that you are doing it. That is why I want you to be extra careful when you practice this. Okay? Now, we are going to practice Sarvangasana. Keep your both the legs up 90 degree. Now, from here, try to lift your hip up and you are going to hold your upper back like this and keep pushing your toes away. Your chin is touching your chest, elbows are closer to each other. Drop your knee to forehead, slowly drop it down. Just relax here for a while. I have made a video on how to practice Sarvangasana very clearly. I'll share the link in the description, you can go through it. So, now I am not explaining it a lot because Sarvangasana itself is a entire different topic to talk about exactly how to practice. I have mentioned how to practice this for the beginners as well as for the advanced practitioners. You can also practice the same thing with the wall if you find it difficult. Okay? Now, if you still think Sarvangasana is very difficult, then you can practice something like this. You can slightly keep your hip as a boat. See, something like this. This is for the beginners and who want to try, who haven't really practiced Sarvangasana before. You can practice like this because this is how you can balance initially. If your leg complete doesn't go up, then slowly see how can you really improve this. If you are here, if you still think here you are balancing, this is also okay. Remember, perfection comes later, practice comes first. But make sure your chin is touching the chest and you are able to see your nail. You are able to see your toe, knee, not the nails, your knee. And for the balance, bend your knee to forehead. Now, keep your knee closer to the chest. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Slowly drop it down. Open up your both the arms to shoulder level. Keep your knee to the chest and try to keep your heel slightly away. Now you're going to drop your knee to the right and to the left. To the right. Turn your head to the left. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. You're going to practice same thing the other side. Drop your hand on the knee. Turn your head to the other side. Feel a mild twist and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center, release. Now slowly turn towards your right side and you can sit up. Okay. So I want to mention one thing. So now when I was practicing core workout, I could have added so many advanced postures because there are so many ab workouts. I have added this because we are working on a PCOD and I don't want you to do something which is very difficult. These are very simple and anybody can practice and everyone can practice. Because if somebody is doing a lot of workout anyways, who think these postures are extremely easy, for them PCOD wouldn't come, because if you are really active in sports or in lot of workout and gym, then probably would not have PCOD. If you have PCOD, that means you are not very active on workout or gym or yoga or something like that. But it's never too late, you can always start. I have just mentioned this now because these postures are very easy. This will help you to get out of PCOD. Please add this and practice every single day and share your experience in your comment box. If anybody is looking for a Hindi content, the videos are in Hindi, because I get lot of comments saying please make a video in Hindi. I have a different channel for that. The channel name is Yoga with Neha. You can follow that for Hindi content. Okay. So keep practicing. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment box. Thank you so much.